Hello, good morning students. How are you beta? Fine. Okay, let me start the new one physics practical and experiment number is 11. Our aim is to find the force constants of the spring by load extension method. So here we have a spring, and as you extend, that means give some load at the end of the spring, extension will be happen there. Okay, that means as you increase the force, the length of the spring will increase, so it is called a load extension method. So here the formula is that K is equal to F by delta L. F is equal to, that is the force is equal to ma. Here is, that is gravitational acceleration. So mass upon delta L, as you increase the mass, the length of the spring will increase. So here you note down the reading in a two ways, that means reading for this one in a increasing form and second one in a decreasing form. Then we will find its average value. So here we have figure in your practical book. This is the figure. So you can draw the figure from this book. So it is a figure which can you see. You can take the photo too. Now let me perform the experiment. So here we have arranged the apparatus. Let me start the experiment. Now here the arrangement. The spring one end is a fixed end. Its reference we have arranged as scale 2. Now first place the hanger only, that is called a dead weight. And for the dead weight the reading is equal to 5 centimeter. So first for dead weight the reading is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have a different mass, each of is 100 gram. Let me give some load at the end of the spring, length of the spring will increase. So here place 100 gram at the end of the spring. The pointer is on 15 centimeter. Now as you add one more 100 gram, the reading will change and it will become around, it is a 25 centimeter. Now let add one more of 100 gram, that means we have added the total 300 grams after the dead weight, and the pointer is on, now it is on 35 centimeter. Now again add one more of 100 grams, so total 400 gram after dead weight. The pointer is on, it is now on 45 centimeter. Now let me note down the reading in a decreasing order. As you decrease the some mass from the hanger, the length of the spring will decrease now. And as you decrease, the pointer is on again, now it is on 35 centimeter. Okay, and again as you decrease the mass, the length will again decrease. It is on now around, it is a 25 centimeter. So again decrease it, it will be around now 15 centimeter. And again when you on dead weight, that is hanger only, the reading is on 5 centimeter. So let me note down this reading in our observation table and let me complete the calculation. Now for the dead weight, the reading, first reading was on 5 centimeter. When we placed the 100, it was 15, 25, 35 and 45 too. This reading was in a increasing order, that means in loading condition. In unloading condition, the reading, that means it is a 45, 35, 25, 15 and 5. Now let you find the increment in the length of the spring. So here first, that is average value, first average value, it is a 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Let you find the increment in the length of the spring, that means this minus this, it is equal to now 10. You have to subtract the first reading from first reading. Okay, then 25 minus 5, it is 20, 35 minus 5, 30. 45 minus 5, it is 40. So if we have to find the m by delta R, where m is a mass suspended at the end of the spring, it is 100 dividing by 10, you will get here 10. 200 dividing by 20, it is again 10. And 300 dividing by 30, it is again 10. And 400 dividing by 40, it is a 10. That means here is a m by delta R, that means mass per unit length for that force, it is equal to this. Now this it is m by delta R, which will be multiplying by gravitational acceleration g, and here the value of the g is equal to 980 in CGS. So 980 into 10, it is 9800, 9800, 9800, 9800, and it is unit is dyne per centimeter. So you can write here dyne per centimeter. The average of this value, force constant K, which is equal to 9800 dyne per centimeter, is the force constant of the spring. So in this way we can find the force constant of the spring. So let you complete this experiment, and you will complete this experiment in your record book and in your journal too. Okay, now bye beta, have a nice day, thank you.